Oh, like I tell you before they fly in?
Well, look, I got a bow over here. Tell us before you do it.
Hold on. Try something different.
Yeah, they do tell you because you hear them whistling. How many you putting in there? Hold on. Yeah.
Go.
There's yours.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Here you go.
Stand back.
I got it.
Like you hit the bottom.
Hey. Are you ready?
I would.
Swear. Hold on.
Well, I'm going to shoot the tire
Go
like
ahead.
the trailer.
I hit it. You said hold it. Did you actually hit it? Do it again.
You want another?
Did he actually hit it? Hold on. One more time. Hold on, dude. Hold on, dude. Y'all don't shoot me.
Okay.
Is this a new video?
Yeah, this is gonna be a new video.
New video. They're gonna shoot one of these.
Ready? I believe you got.
You didn't want it to buzz, did you?
No.
Daddy.
Did you hear me?
Huh?
Quit.
What?
What's let me shoot it?
Oh. It's cool though. It's gonna turn when you do the cylinder. And when you cock it.
Take some pop. You found
All right. Well, it would have been funny.
It would have.
There you go.
This one racks back, so
Do you have one?
you gotta hold your arm out.
Did you even know you had all these?
That's all you gotta do. You put that
I
dot
really
on the
have-
heart.
I just never got this.
Dot, just squeeze it. It's
Oh my
hard.
god.
Easy.
Squeeze.
He should.
Hold on.
Is it even cocked?
Stop.
Hey, where'd you put my good rigger case?
It's automatic. Now look. Hey, Bo, get back.
Shot a little high. Give it back to him. But you got him.
That thing's awesome.
Hang on, I'll zoom in and see what you can do.
Look through the sights.
Shoot him between the
Look through
eyes.
the sights and don't really worry about.
Blake, shoot him between the eyes.
Don't worry about the bottom.
Yeah, shoot him between the eyes. I don't know where it went.
Try again.
Above his head.
Try again.
Bo.
That's why you practice with your guns, Miss Rat.
Hey, I don't know.
Golly, I'm terrible.
I know they're all 22s, I guess. I guess they'll shoot David.
Oh, give him a haircut. Shot his ear off.
Wow.
Let me see, you got that rigger?
Pop up.
I don't remember her name.
Hey, left hand straight. Left hand straight.
Is
Stick it out.
Momo Tunnel's gun.
Yeah.
Now
What
hold
is
your
it?
hold your hand. There you go.
Now all you gotta do is
22.
pull the trigger.
That's
It's real
there you
easy to pull now.
That's it.
Pull it, boy.
not.
Pull it.
Hold on, hold on.
Cock it for him,
Hold
Dad.
on.
And then it's going to be easy to pull.
Now it's gonna be
It's
real
gonna be
easy.
real easy to pull.
Oh, that's easy. Is it loaded?
He's gonna be scared dead. This is gonna be
You can't hear it though.
like it was hard a while ago.
It's gonna be real easy this time. Just pointed it.
Easy on that trigger. Easy on two hands.
2 hands.
Stick 2 hands out there. Keep it pointed down,
You
down
gotta pull
range.
the trigger. All you gotta do.
Keep it. There you go.
They ain't all
Yeah.
Let's go to my school.
Do
How
it
about
again.
that?
Where'd I hit?
Awesome. I don't know.
Bryant James.
Easy.
I don't see where I hit.
That's okay.
It's ready to shoot again now.
I'll watch this time. Yep.
You get
Right
it,
there on
I
the-
don't know where.
By the man.
Don't put your finger on the trigger when you cock it.
Good
I
job.
believe you hit the man.
I'm ready to his collar.
I don't see it.
I'm ready to my